All right, let's break this down. Let's see what we got. I have no clue what I'm doing. And now I want like a pulse. I want sort of like a... a wavy string, like a little... like a... Get that down quick. Why? You're going to lose some electricity, Steve? I'm trying to figure... I'm excited now. Yes. Oh, you beauty. Sounds absolutely beautiful. That is beautiful sound. That is sweet music to my ears. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Let's get down to the meat and potatoes. Meat and potatoes. I just like that. Oh, yes. Candy. It's like bass candy. So if it'd be too much if it's bending all the time. I know what I mean anyway. I've got a tune in my head, like a do 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 do. I've got like a brass, like a. Oh yeah, that. Oh, I'm gonna get you. You know what I mean? It sounds really, really good. Sounds strong. Oh, that's beastly, that, isn't it?